Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. This is Correct Bet. I don't know how many of you have heard about survey studies before. This online survey. So it's a UK survey study that pay you in dollar and pounds by just answering survey study questions. So they will ask you some question. When you answer it correctly, they pay you in dollar. Some survey come in different prices. Some come with $1, some come with $5. So some can come through a computer that you can answer with your computer. Some can come through phone, iPad. So those things. So this is the site that is used for this survey study. So, and before you start this, all you need to do is to have your VPN and also have some other apps that you need to use to create your UK bank account. So, but first of all, what you need to do first is to create your UK bank account first. Then, second one is to have your VPN in order to change your location to UK before you start these survey studies. And second one is you have to have your UK phone number. So there is app for it that you use to purchase the UK phone number so that you can use it to create your paper that will be connected to this UK bank account number, so that when you answer your survey studies, they will now pay you through your paper. Then you can withdraw your money through those apps directly to your account. So this is the business opportunity I want to show you guys in case none of you have heard about online survey before. So this is the site. So before creating account here, you have to get your email, then create those app, that UK bank account that you use that app to create. First of all, either you have your driver's license or you have your voter's card, the permanent one, not a temporary one, or you have your national ID card. So when filling your details, make sure everything is correct. So I'll be teaching you how to go about all this step by step before you can start your survey. So this is the site. For example, let me log in to show you some of my own, how it looks like now. Log in now. Let me log in now to see how many study I have. The one available here now is one study. There's no study for this one, so I've already answered many of them for today. So let me check another account. Let me log out from this one and log into another account. So for you to earn more on this, you need to have many accounts. And how all this thing works is that one UK bank account, one paper, and one survey site. So you can have like 4 accounts. So more accounts, more you're earning. So I'll be teaching you all this. So in case any of you is interested on this, just chat me on WhatsApp or you join the group link on the description of this video. Then once you join, you ask me how about it, because you may join when I've already teach others. So when you join the group, you can send me message, send the admin message, so I can train you and can tell you more all the things that you need for the course before you start your survey. So this is my study. As you can see, this one is $1. The survey, this one requires computer. But how I normally do this, some of these that come with computer, you can change this browser to computer site, desktop site. Once you click like this, come here, desktop site. You see, you have turned it to desktop site. So now you can all you need to do is just click on take this study. You can see it here, take this study. So once you click on it, you continue. So after answering it, they will now send you message that they have seen your study, you have completed your study. Then now wait for your payment and once they pay you, it will go direct to your paper. Then from paper, move to your UK bank account. Then from there, you can withdraw it to your local bank in Nigeria. So this is how all this thing works. So, but first of all, the thing that you need to get this done, you have some app that you need to download. You have to create your email, then have your government issued ID card available. Then you can now start to register this. So you have your UK number. The UK phone number will be used to create your paper, because you can't use Nigerian number to create it and get verified easily. So when you use your UK phone number to create your paper, it will be verified without stressing you much. So what you now do is to create your UK bank account, and inside that UK bank account, the app you'll be using will tell you how to download it on Google Play Store, the name of the app and all that. So inside that app, once you create your UK bank account, they have two accounts there, US bank account and UK bank account. So once you have complete your KYC verification, the two accounts will be activated. You will see account number for UK and US. So anybody anywhere in UK or US can send you money to your account. You withdraw it to your bank. So you see now it's easy for you to create your UK bank account. So, but if you want to go a normal bank in Nigeria, to some banks take like 50,000 or more to create dollar account, what they call a dominary account, which is a dollar account. But this app will help you to create everything successfully. Just you make sure you have your government issued ID card. It can be international passport, voter's card, the plastic one, which is a permanent ID card, permanent voter's card, not the temporary one, the plastic one, or driver's license, or your NEPA bill, utility bill, or your bank statement of account. Then you can get those things and open your UK bank account with this app. Not this app, but I have the app. So when you people come, I will show you how everything is done. So this is all you need to start this survey that will pay you in dollars and pounds. So what are you waiting for? Many people have started this now. I will drop the link for the WhatsApp group on the description of this video. So go straight to the description of this video and join the WhatsApp group, or chat me directly on WhatsApp so I can add you on the group or tell you more about it. So we'll have a masterclass for those that are already registered and start taking their survey. So our WhatsApp number is 070-3676-0527. You can see the WhatsApp number pasted on this video. You can see it here, so you can see it clear. I repeat the WhatsApp number again, 070-3676-0527. So this is all about how to start online survey studies that pays you in dollar and pounds. How many of you know the price of dollar now and the price of pounds? Pounds, 1 pound now is around 2,000 something. Now check it. And dollar is around 1,000 C something, if I'm not mistaken. Just go on Google now and type it. What is $1 today? You see the dollar for today. So this is opportunity for you to earn in dollar at the comfort of your home. Apart from betting, this is another platform that can make you earn more money in dollars in a foreign currency. So, and everything is already there for you. Everything is easy for you. To withdraw your money is easy for you. All you need is always check your studies. Okay, now once I have study for me to answer now, they will send it direct to my email. And let me show you. See my email. You see there is a study available for you. So once you see once your time for your study reach, they will send you direct to your email. So once you go to email, you see it. So you will now go and answer your study. So you can see them here. So the next thing to do is come here. You just register on this before the next. This is not hard. It's just to show you how step by step how to go about it to start your online survey. It's not hard at all. So just need someone to guide you. So I will show you the app that you'll be downloading for you to start yours. Show you the app that you'll be downloading for you to start yours. So let me check my account. And how I do all this is that once you create different accounts on this site that will take studies, you create like multiple accounts here using different email. Then you will now check the ones that is healthy, the one that bring more studies. Once you see the one that bring more studies, now connect it directly to your paper before, so you not waste that paper. So you start taking your study. You know that account is healthy, you bring more studies, and I will show you the cities in London that you need to use. There are some cities in London that bring more studies. So I will show you how to get those cities. Once you use your VPN, once you refresh them and get more cities, I will show you how everything is done. So this is how you guys can partake in this survey studies. Alright, this is Correct Bet. In case anytime you are ready for this, can chat me on WhatsApp on 07036760527. Alright, thank you guys. See you guys on next video.